So, what exactly does science say about running? Science says we are endurance runners. So, a good example can be found in Bramble and Lieberman. Here it is noted that fast running probably did not play a major role in human evolution, because otherwise, it is assumed, we would be better sprinters. However, it is remarkable that apart from humans, only very few species do endurance runs. Only social carnivores, so dogs and hyenas and stuff like that, or migratory cloven-hoofed animals, that for example would be a horse, are known here. It is also exciting that no other primates appear in this list. 1-0 for us monkeys. If it is so rare that endurance runs are undertaken, do they at least have an impact on us? Or are we evolutionarily created for endurance runs? Somehow yes must be the answer. In contrast to other primates, our muscles and tendons are designed to run with less energy consumption. A good example of this is our Achilles tendon. It hardly helps us when we walk, but stores, similar to a spring, the energy during running. Through these characteristics of our body, we save about 50% of the energy when running. That sounds good to me. Or maybe take the arch of the foot. So, this part of the foot. Haven't you ever wondered why your foot is arched up? That's another smart move from nature. If one walks over the forefoot, about 17% of the energy can be returned here. So this is a bit like what running shoe manufacturers promise automatically built into you. Also, our long legs. Hello, French supermodel. Help us to run. Admittedly, they are practical for walking as well as running. They increase the contact time with the ground. Is that a good thing? Yes, it is. So studies show that the inverse of the ground contact time correlates with the energy input during running. In other words, higher contact time, less effort. One could now go into more detail about the fact that our skeleton is designed to withstand the forces that occur during running. We also manage not to fall over, although we sprint all at once instead of walking. But if you're interested in details, check directly with Bramble and Lieberman. I can really recommend their studies, and especially Mr. Lieberman. He's kind of a hero in the barefoot community. So it's a good reference point, of course, if you're interested digging deeper into the science.